Importance of ethics in engineering sector. Social aspect of engineering is important to highlight because people, and society as a whole, often expect great things from engineers, owing to great power they possess to bring change. Engineers shall act in such a manner as to uphold and enhance the honor, integrity, and dignity of the engineering profession, and shall act with zero tolerance for bribery, fraud, and corruption. Ethics in engineering is a study of characteristics of morals, and conduct of engineers as professionals, and individuals as human beings. This is related with quality of decisions. Prompt and correct distinction and selection of the available options is critical in engineering. Engineering ethics seeks to go beyond the dictates of the law, when there is no legal guideline. Therefore, ethics empowers engineers and fosters in them the value of conscientious moral commitment. Ethics also guides the professional conduct of engineers. In essence, ethical values ensure honest and open transactions in the profession. It ensures that engineers are held accountable for their actions, so they become bound and committed to their job. Now, we shall see some cases related to ethics. 1. The Space Shuttle Challenger. Just 73 seconds after its launch, on January 28, 1986, Space Shuttle Challenger broke apart, killing its 7 crew members. This was caused by failure of both primary and secondary O-rings on the right solid rocket booster. The problems with the O-rings had been known about for 9 years but had been ignored. Engineers' warnings were also ignored by NASA managers because of pressure to keep to the launch timetable. The incident highlights the ethics of whistleblowing. 2. Ethical concerns in responding to recent COVID-19. The case, from safety and ethics viewpoint, vaccine shall be tested on animals before human. The concern, in this case we went straight to humans, although participants, people signed up for trial, are very unlikely to be fully immunized. Case, similarly, on travel restrictions to achieve legitimate protections of the public's health. Concern, some believe that it should be the last resort given the severe restrictions it imposes on individual liberty. Case, impact of school closing also causes ethical concerns. Concern, the question on how to mitigate the disproportionate burden that will fall on our most vulnerable children shall be addressed. 3. Civil engineers and ethics. Many civil engineering structural failures are attributed to ethics or lack of it in engineers. A classical case is about the failure of Hyatt Regency walkway collapse in Kansas City, killing 114 people in 1981. The case is related to ignorance in understanding the free body diagram, and hence is classified as a case study under statics. The 2-level walkway was suspended from the ceiling and the hangar detail, as originally designed, could not be built. Hence the steel fabricator requested a change in the hangar detail and the engineer mindlessly approved it without checking the calculations. The upper hangar rod had pulled through the steel beams, thus failed. It may be noted that even though there were several people on the walkway, at the time of collapse, the corresponding load was much less than the code-mandated capacity. Ethical concern of the case goes as follows. The engineers were contacted several times by fabricators and construction people, mentioning their doubt on adequacy of detailing. Engineers claimed that the design and detailing were verified more than once. Prudent engineers will view a question about the safety of their design and detailing as an opportunity to review the work and reassure the public, rather than as an attack on their expertise. In the present case, nobody noticed about the deviation in actual construction of the hangar from the original design and detailing. Now let's go to the finer details of the topic, that is, ethics and professional ethics. Thank you.